So it begins. So it begins. So it begins. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning.
Hey guys, so Joanne and I have sort of been held up in the house for a little bit. Had kind of a head cold thing going on. Took a couple days off work, just weren't feeling well. So Saturday night we were sitting around, it's like, we gotta get out of the house. So we're doing like a Sunday soft roading thing. We came out to Silver Skagit Road just to check it out. So we wanted to see what it looked like now that it's reopened ever since the atmospheric river shut it down. And so we thought we'd bring you guys along with us. It's nothing special, we haven't even aired down, but if you've been out here, you know it's a beautiful valley, other than the first kilometer and a half of garbage. But yeah, we'll show it to you and hopefully enjoy. The Skagit Valley. Wow. It's been about 30 years since I've been here. This used to be my playground as a young adult. I used to love walking the river, casting a fly in a nice back eddy, hoping a rising trout would take it. But it wasn't just the river that attracted me here. It was also the lakes in the area, the hiking trails. It was all perfect. But life changes, and I almost forgot about this place. That was until the atmospheric rivers hit in November 2021. Those floods caused so much destruction, they had to close most of the area.
That is very recent snow up there.
Yeah, which is good.
Yep, much needed.
Yeah. So we'll make the run up to the border,
Okay.
right up to Ross Lake. There's that tree sticking out of that,
Oh yeah,
out of the stump.
crazy little tree. I've never been here. Oh dear!
Oh,
Way
yeah.
ahead. I don't think we'll catch it.
I just caught his butt as it was running into the forest.
So this was
This is,
one of the washouts?
yeah, I think it was.
Wow. They did a good job repairing it.
Yeah, I don't know. This all looks like it's been redone,
Yeah, it does.
obviously.
Yeah, all new road. It's crazy. It did not look anything like this before.
No, exactly. Actually, I'm glad you said that because I was wondering if I was going crazy because I was like, I don't remember it looking like that the last time I was here. But like I said, that was 30 years ago. Dear. Okay.
The animals are out for you today.
Right? I know.
Actually, yeah, this does all look new too. Looks very wintry today.
Yeah, it's definitely moody, that's for sure. Rain, no rain, snowing up higher. It's only 6 degrees right here.
Is that it?
That's it.
And we left the beautiful sunshine behind us. this.
Beautiful sunshine, but a crowded city.
Yeah, that's fair. I'd take this over that.
Not bad for a Sunday drive, though.
Nope. An impromptu Sunday drive.
Holding me tighter, I cannot see. When will we finally?
What's this?
It's the old bridge.
Wow. Oh, we're gated.
We're gated. What the hell's up with that? Does suck.
That's not cool.
I know.
We'll stop at that for now.
Yeah, that's where we're going slow. I was like, oh, there it is. Colors.
Yeah. And then you had like a little like, I don't know. It's been like 4 years since we've been here. So.
30 for me.
Totally like,
Something wrong. Something wrong.
yeah, look, it's loose. Damn it.
At first, I was like trying to figure out like, is she just playing or? I was like,
Guys, help me lift this over.
yeah, guys, I want this bolt.
Help me flip this.
Yeah, man.
It's old. There's old ones that sunk to the side. We're gonna paint them up like the same color as the Jeep, and we just place them in the same spot. There's the glasses.
When you guys see the video, that's just nuts.
Oh wow! Yeah, imagine how happy that would have been. I'll hold that up for a sec. The other one is still attached.
Yes, that thing twisted that way, and if that side broke off, that side held on, so that's why it sort of went that way.
Yeah. But there was two of them, and then like, where's the actual bridge itself has gone to?
Oh,
Yeah.
This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. This is only
So after running into that lock gate, it kind of put a bummer on our plans. We wanted to see Ross Lake and the border. It definitely cut our day short by a few hours. There's no denying that. So we planned to have lunch somewhere else. That's when the clouds rolled in. Plans changed again.
This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning.
Wow, it was amazing to see this place again. It was like being with an old friend. And I can't believe I got to share it with my beautiful wife. Definitely a day I will never forget.
So it begins.
Well, guys, as you can see, the weather has taken a turn for the worst. Unfortunately, that's going to put an end to any drone footage or putting the GoPro outside. So we are just going to enjoy the drive back. We thank you guys for coming along. Totally different than what we normally do, but like I said, we were just getting out and we want to take you guys along. So from a very wet Skagit Valley, lady behind the camera,
Get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments.
thanks guys.